Daily routines are the small actions we do every day, like waking up, eating, working, and sleeping. But are we doing them in the best way? Today, we will talk about how to create a good daily routine. A good routine can help you feel happy, healthy, and ready for the day. Every person has a routine. Some people have a good routine that helps them feel strong and focused, while others feel tired and stressed because they do not have a good plan. I will help you make your daily routine better. A routine gives you more energy and helps you stay calm. When you know what you will do each day, you feel less stress. Now let's listen to 5 different people and learn about their daily routines. David works in an office and wakes up at 6:30 a.m. He showers, drinks coffee, eats toast and fruit, and takes the bus to work. His job starts at 8:30 a.m. and ends at 5:30 p.m. After work, he cooks dinner, watches TV, and goes to bed by 10:30 p.m. Maria is a university student. She wakes up at 8 a.m., eats cereal or yogurt, and walks to class. She studies at the library and works at a coffee shop in the evening. She goes to bed around midnight. Jake is a personal trainer. He wakes up at 5 a.m., goes for a run, eats a healthy breakfast, and trains clients all day. He eats small meals, exercises again in the evening, and sleeps by 10:00 p.m. Hannah is a stay-at-home mom. She wakes up at 5:00 a.m., prepares breakfast for her kids, cleans the house, shops, helps her children with homework, and goes to bed at 10:30 p.m. Tom is a freelancer. He wakes up at 9 a.m., drinks coffee, checks emails, and works from home. He takes breaks, eats lunch at 1 p.m., walks in the evening, and sometimes works at night. He goes to bed around midnight. As you can see, everyone has a different routine. Some people wake up early, some work late, but all have their own way to live each day. Now, let's talk about how to create your own balanced daily routine. In the morning, wake up at the same time every day, and this helps your body feel ready. Drink water to wake up your body. Move your body with light exercise or a short walk. Eat a healthy breakfast with protein and avoid too much sugar. Plan your day by writing a to-do list. In the middle of the day, take short breaks to stay focused. Try the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Eat a healthy lunch with vegetables and protein. Drink water often to stay fresh. Stay organized by doing the most important tasks first. In the evening, eat a light dinner and avoid sugar and caffeine. Take time to relax by reading or talking with family. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed and try to sleep at the same time each night. Good routines help you feel strong and happy. Even small changes can help. Start with 1 or 2 steps and build your routine over time. Thank you for listening. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend. What is your daily routine like? What part do you want to improve? Let us know in the comments. Thank you, and see you next time.